This is my 2011 Gary Young Sunday, and it's my bike, and I love it. Primo seat, you can't see it.
Walmart seat.
Okay, let's start from the front. Stock forks, stock bars, Colt Vans grips, Eastern bar ends. I don't like the brand, but those are good bar ends. And S&M Little Redneck stem.
No, Barnes are better. Were.
And Odyssey quadrant rims.
No, Odyssey single rims.
And stock hub.
You're not even recording, pussy. It'd be red, ugly. Okay.
And Colt Doomsday pegs, front and back. E-clap pedals.
Front and back.
They spin pretty good.
Fucking Walmart. You don't want
Stock.
them to spin good.
Stock cranks.
Stock crank fucking
And then Odyssey ball bearing bottom bracket.
Piece of shit.
And
Fucking Walmart chain.
oh,
Piece of shit.
Aeronos keypad tires. Sexy. Primo 23 tooth sprocket.
Shit.
And KMC
Oh shit.
blue chain. And Primo seat. And Sputnik seat clamp. That is all. And Colt headset. Goodbye.
What kind of frame is it?